Hi guys, today I'm going to unboxing my new Panerai base logo. Brand new. Let's see what's in the back first. Of course, we have here the box. This is it. The original box. And inside also we have this. A book about Panerai. But let's start with the unboxing, of course. Let me show you. This is the box. The reference is pam1086. So let's start with the unboxing. I'm covering the serial numbers. You know why? Okay, let's unbox. This is the box that came from factory. So I will keep it, of course. And this is the box of the Panerai black box. As you can see, here it is. So, let's start the unboxing. This is my first Panerai watch. Okay, very nice. Wow. This is it. This is a good box. And let me remove from the first box. Okay. And this is the box. Very nice. Panerai. It's wood, of course. Let me show you. And it has this material, so it cannot slick. Okay, let's start the unboxing of the watch and tell me your opinion about that. Let me open. Let's unbox it. And this is the base logo. Let me zoom a little bit for you. And as you can see in the box, it comes with this rubber strap, and also we have this protective plastic, and this is the base Panerai. Let me zoom a little bit. All-time classic, the best. It's a 44 millimeter, the case. This is it, the base Panerai. As you can see, with this strap, which is like shred and very nice. Also, you can buy a lot of different straps, but in the box, as you can see, you have also this rubber strap, which is very nice. Very nice. It's in the box, because in other brands you don't get it, and so you have to buy it $100 or $200. And it's very nice if you want to go for swimming or something like that. Let me show you here. And also you have this tool, so you can change the strap. But let's see the watch. Okay, let me remove this, and of course let me remove this plastic cover. Okay, very nice, beautiful, shiny, polished case. All-time classic Panerai with this. It's not automatic, it's hand winding, and you wind like this. Let me see. As you can see, basic logo Panerai, which is one of my favorite Panerai, because it's a timeless design, and also it's so clean because you have nothing inside. Other models, they have for example the seconds here in the 9, but I want to have the numbers and to be so clean. For me, this is a timeless Panerai design, the timeless watch. I believe that Rolex and Panerai have this timeless design. You can, from kilometers, you know what you watch it is. And this is because we have this signature, as you can see here. So let me remove this. Here it's a Panerai, and the reason is that plastic here, it's not to be inside this leather strap, so you have a problem like this. It's not that heavy watch, but it's very nice, shiny. Let me zoom in to all of you that maybe you like this watch, as you can see. And let me show you something. Let me remove this. So I'm going to tell you something about the watch. And as you can see, it says Panerai here. Very nice shred. It's such a beautiful watch. Underneath the watch, we have a case, here. I'm covering because it's the serial, but also here it says Luminor and Panerai, and also it's stainless steel, okay? And also here, I want to cover up for some reason. I'm going to cover up like this. Here, as you can see, it says 2000, and here it says how many produced in the whole world. And I produced 2000, and it has near the number of this one and the date that it's the 22. It's like an X. X is 22 for this, and it has a serial number. Also, it's water resistant 100 meters. So let me wear it to see it on my hand. Okay, we know that Panerai are big watch. It's a 44mm case, but my hand is not that big. It's not that big, so let me wear it. And it looks great. Let me wear it. And this is on my wrist. How do you see it? To be honest, when I saw this color, I was not that happy, but it looks amazing. Better than a black one. But you can buy a black one also from Panerai, as you can see. And it's like a suede. And it looks great. For me, it's a just and timeless design. My wrist is not that big, but it fits very, very nice. Even so big case, 44mm. What do you think about this watch? Let me zoom in, because I'm pretty sure that a lot of you maybe want to buy in Panerai, and maybe this one. How do you think? How looks? Let me show you. It's just a timeless design, okay? Let me have a little bit. Let me go straight and let me show you. Maybe if I'm like this or like this, just for all of you want to buy Panerai. It's just very, very, very nice. An entry level Panerai, to be honest, because you have a lot of different models. This is the Luminor collection. Let me show you how to. You have to wind it, because it's not an automatic. It's a self-wind wind rollage, hand wind, and also this hand wind. It's almost 3 days, But you can buy another model. It's called the 8 days. So you can wind it and last for 8 days without wind it. So we come here. You do it like this, and then you wind. Listen. I don't know if you know it, but these watches that not automatic and are hand winded, when you do it like this, it will stop and tell you that you cannot go more. In the automatic watch, you cannot do, like a Rolex or maybe a Breitling or like something like that. Then you pull it out like this. And you can change the time. Sorry. As you can see, it does not have to see the seconds, only hours and minutes. And then you put like this back and you close it. And I'm pretty sure that this will not open at any time. Also, let me show you like this. It's a polished and very, very bright, very, very nice with this strap, but I'm going to replace it soon with a rubber to see it like this. Stay tuned to see it, because I want to wear it everywhere, even the gym, even in the beach for swimming, because this, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be in a bad condition for an everyday watch. Let me show you like this here again, that it has produced 2000 models, and this is, I'm not showing you the real number, okay, but you get the meaning. Okay, this is for me, guys. If you want more updates, just stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.